Hello guys, today we will learn about how to install XAMPP in our Windows. Okay, for that first of all open your browser and in browser type XAMPP download for Windows. Okay, then after that click on the first link that appear. Okay, then here you can see there is various version available of XAMPP. Then click in any version, but we will be installing the latest version, which is this 8.2.12. okay, so simply click download. After that after this our download will start. Okay, so yeah, here you can see our download is started. I've already installed XAMPP, so I'll be canceling this. So here you can see I have already installed XAMPP, so click in this. Okay, then it asks for permission. It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. So after clicking this it says this, because an activated UI on your system or some function of XAMPP are possibly restricted with UAC, please avoid to install XAMPP to see a program file missing read write permission or deactivate UAC with msconfig after this setup. Here you don't have to do anything, just simply click OK. Then here it says welcome to XAMPP setup wizard, then click next. Here you will be needing all of it, right? So don't make any changes and simply click next. We'll install our XAMPP in C drive, so we will leave it as it is. Then next, it says here I have XAMPP file, so I will delete that. Okay, first of all in my C, here this, I will delete this one first. Now I will enter next. Okay, so after clicking next you are required to select language. We will leave it as English. Then next, it says now setup is now ready, so again next. Now it will take a while. Okay, okay, so now our XAMPP is completely installed. Then here let's uncheck this and finish. Okay, then now what we have to do is, we can see that XAMPP is installed in our system. Then after that what we have to do is, we have to set the environmental variable for PHP. So select this path. Okay, inside XAMPP we have PHP, select this part. Then what you have to do is, go to start menu, then type edit. When you type edit, you can see it says edit the system environment variable. Click there, then environmental variable, then you scroll down for path. Okay, path, then here. Okay, then what you have to do is, you have to save this path. So simply click new, then paste that part which you have copied. Okay, then click OK. Here you can see our part is saved. Okay, so OK, click and OK, and again OK. So now what we have to do is, we have to start the XAMPP. Okay, click in this XAMPP control panel. Okay, so here you can see the control panel of XAMPP. So for PHP you can simply start whichever you need. Okay, start Apache or start MySQL for database. So in this way we can install XAMPP in our system. So that's it for the video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.